How much are you making right now? Imagine that in just a few days, your account balance is up by 1,000, and in a couple of weeks, 10,000. This isn't fantasy, it's reality if you know the right steps and tools to make it happen. My name is Evelyn Morgan, I'm 29 years old and I've been in trading for 10 years. Over the past year, you may have seen me on CNN, where I provide market forecasts and expert analysis. I also frequently appear in breaking news. I trained at Goldman Sachs, where I studied the strategies of the world's top investment banks, and I learned directly from legendary traders like Peter Brandt and Ray Dalio. My trading strategies for beginners have been published in Yahoo Finance, and in 2024, I was ranked among the top 100 traders in the world by TradingView. I've also taught at London Business School, where I delivered lectures on risk management in trading. Now I consistently make 100k to 120k per month, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch in 2025. I'll break it down into clear, actionable steps and reveal the strategy that will help you begin your trading journey and reach these same results. All you have to do is copy what I do and take action. Remember, the biggest difference between the rich and the poor is the ability to take action in a new way. Are you ready? Then let's get started. By the way, I have important news that could completely change your financial situation. I want you to become part of my exclusive trading community on Telegram. Here, over 40,000 people are not just listening to theory, but actually following my trades in real time and getting rewards from it. Inside my private trading club, I show how I apply proven strategies for consistent success in trading, and I'm ready to share this knowledge with you. You will get access to my strategies, which I have developed and tested over the past 10 years. In my club, we focus on real trading, making trades together, and everyone can follow my lead. I also publish my results openly, making every trade fully transparent and accessible. Want to learn the most effective trading strategies and get real-time feedback? Don't miss this chance. Pause this video right now, click the link in the description below, and join my trading community to start learning immediately. But remember, spots are limited, and if you don't act now, the next opportunity might not come anytime soon. Alright friends, let's begin our trading session. Today I'm starting with 25. Now let's select our pairs. Okay, now let's move on to the indicator. I'm going to use MACD. This indicator helps identify trend direction and possible reversal points. It consists of two lines. The signal line, a slower moving line that shows the average value over a longer period. The histogram displays the difference between the two lines. When the histogram is above zero, it signals an uptrend, and when it's below zero, it signals a downtrend. Everything is set up, we're ready to go. Analyzing the first pair, I see a key level at 2.004, and right before this level there was some consolidation. In other words, this is an accumulation zone, which often suggests that the price is about to break through resistance and continue upward. The indicator is pointing up, and the last candle closed right at the level, making a slight pullback. Considering these factors, I expect a breakout of the resistance level, so I'm going up. Let's observe. Great, moving on. All right, I see a clear level around 0.89940. The price has tested this level several times without deep pullbacks, bouncing off each time. I believe this fourth attempt will result in a breakout as buyers have built up strength and are ready to push further. The indicator confirms this. The white line is crossing the blue line from below, signaling an upward reversal. And we're in profit again. Let's keep going. I see a level around 0.57150. The price has approached this level with impulse, which usually suggests a possible rejection or a false breakout. The level isn't showing strong buying activity, so I decide to enter on a downward rebound. Perfect. The price picked above the level and then dropped back below, closing the trade successfully. Moving forward. All right. I see a local level at 18.88400. The price has approached this level gradually, without sharp moves, and with small pullbacks, which indicates a potential build-up for a breakout. The indicator is pointing up. On a slight pullback, I'm going up. We're at 337 now. Nice! Let's keep going. I remember exactly how I started. Every morning I would wake up thinking, where do I find that key that unlocks success? And one day I found that key, a mentor who showed me how to stop wandering aimlessly and follow a clear, structured path. Now, I'm ready to be that mentor for you. Over the years, I didn't just develop a strategy. I trained thousands of traders, spoke at professional conferences, and helped beginners take their first confident steps in trading. Inside my Telegram channel, you'll find a proven system tested by thousands of traders. Every single day, I share my live trades. New traders just follow them to get results. All you have to do is copy my actions and start seeing the same success. Right now, access to my private trading channel is free, but I don't know how much longer that will last, since I work personally with each new member. Don't wait. Click the link right now and start taking action today. What's happening with this pair? All clear. I'm going up immediately. The price broke above this level, then came back down to test it. After the price confirmed support at this level, I entered, expecting a continuation upward. I was right. We are now at 647. Let's keep going. All right, let's check our pairs. No, actually, let's go back to this one. Okay. After the breakout, I see that the price has stalled near the level and isn't moving further. Looking at the indicator, I notice a slight divergence. The histogram is shrinking, even though the price is still rising. This suggests a possible reversal, so I'm going down, expecting the price to fall back below the level. My prediction was correct! We're now at 1,252. Not bad. Let's keep going. Alright, look at this! The trend is up, with local breakout levels being hit. After a strong impulse move upward, the price consolidates briefly before breaking higher. Right now, we're seeing the same pattern forming again, so I'm going to enter for another breakout. The indicator also confirms the uptrend. Perfect! Everything played out just as I predicted. Let's keep going. Switching to the next pair. Updating the balance to 2,384. Here, I'm going down. As I mentioned, the price dropped back below the level and the indicator has turned downward. We're now seeing a retest of the level and consolidation above it. After the retest, the price is rejecting downward, which is why I decided to short. Let's observe. Excellent! Let's work with a nice number now and update it to 4,500. The price is in a range, and in situations like this, the best approach is to trade from the boundaries. Right now, the price is at the lower boundary, so I'm going up, expecting it to continue upward. Look at this amazing result. The most important thing in trading is analyzing quickly and acting immediately, which is exactly what I just demonstrated. Once again, my strategy has proven itself. This is solid proof that a systematic approach brings results. Now imagine walking this same path, but with full support and a clear understanding of every step you take. I created a community where I break down trading decisions, explain the logic behind my trades, and provide step-by-step guidance to help you achieve consistent success. You're not just getting knowledge, you're getting a complete system that will help you move closer to financial freedom and start living the way you truly want. And you won't be alone. Inside my community, thousands of traders are walking this path together, supporting one another and growing every single day. To join my exclusive trading community on Telegram, click the first link in the description and pinned comment. Time is working against you. Don't miss this chance. Act now.